Welcome to Chirag International, manufacturer and exporter of construction machines. The company was incepted in 2008 at Coimbatore. Our advanced technology and machinery help us to cater North America and Eastern Europe. International quality standards, efficient after-sales services and client-centric organization make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a wide assortment of brick and block making machines. Ash brick making and concrete batching machines offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Our edge cutting and grinding machines that are best in the industry amongst others. We are specialized in manufacturing molding, tile cutter and carving machines. Along with that, we offer polishing and profiling machines are well known for their durability and reliability. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of stone stamping and splitting machines. To get more information, log on at www.chirag-international.net.